Alright, so these are my 6 ideas that I would take to a workshop for other teachers to learn about digital literacy and the 21st century skills that you need to have nowadays. So the top one that I rated was social media, because I think that teachers should have like open conversations with their kids about social media, and that they can create like a social media for their classroom that their students can follow, where they can post like updates like on Twitter, and they can post pictures on Instagram about what they were doing, and their kids can follow it, and it can be really fun and interactive, and they can have reminders. I think that would be a really good way for teachers to stay in contact with their students but not overstepping a boundary. And I think the second thing that I would talk about would be screencasting, like what I'm doing right now, because I think that having a video for students to watch at home is more beneficial than listening to a lecture, because I can rewatch a video as many times as I want and get out of it what I need to, rather than just listening to a lecture and only being able to listen to it once. So it'd be a flipped classroom where you have the notes at home, but then you come back and then you can do the activities in class, so you have more time to answer questions in class rather than just lecturing. So the third one I think would be Edpuzzle videos, because those are really inventive, and they have just normal YouTube videos that you can stop wherever and ask any questions that you want, and it makes it really helpful for students to really grasp what they're understanding. It shows the teachers that they know what they're listening, and that they know what they're watching, and they're actually grasping the video rather than just pressing play and letting it play throughout. And then the fourth one I think would be really cool would be music videos. So you could do a music video and make it into a math music video. Take a popular song and change the lyrics and make it into math, and the students can have a lot of fun with that and kind of do whatever they want to do with it and take it in their own way, so you're not having these strict rules for everything, that they can kind of just do what they want. And I think that students would have a lot more fun with that. The fifth one I think would be a website, because if you're creating a website, you can have them put their own flair into something that they really enjoy, and they can have like a theme, and it would be really nice for them to be able to do what they want to do rather than having strict guidelines. And the sixth one, I think that would be really cool, would be virtual tours, to have more like virtual tours of museums and different things, so that they aren't actually leaving the classroom, but it feels like they are, and they can ask questions and Skype with the people that are running it, and it'd be really great way for them to spread out their wings and get farther away from the classroom, but you're still in a classroom setting. So thanks for watching.